What's up, guys? The last thing we're talking about is tip, also known as gratuity, and it's the amount, right, of money that you would give somebody for performing a service. Right? Oftentimes you see, obviously, servers, waiters, and waitresses. You tip them. Right? You might also tip a hairstylist or a bellhop at a restaurant. There's a lot of times that you might tip somebody, and so we just give a percentage of the amount that we paid. So let's look at an example. Jessica ate breakfast at a restaurant. The bill came to $5. Right? If she left an 18% tip, how much was the tip? Here they're asking for the tip amount. Right? So just like with markup and with tax, right, they can ask us for the tip amount, or another type of question they might ask us is, right, how much are we going to pay, right, including tip, right? Including the tip. But here, right, this problem, we're just focusing on the tip amount. Right, so we've got $5 and she's going to leave an 18% tip. So we're looking for 18% of 5. Right, so how do we find percent of a number? Well, we change, right, our percent to a decimal, and then we multiply, right, by, in this case, the cost of our meal, $5. Right, and so 18% of 5, right, 18% of 5 is, bring our decimal back, 90 cents. 90 cents, and that represents our tip amount. Now, how much would Jessica expect to pay total, including tip? Well, all she would do is add $5, right, to that 90 cents for a total of $5.90, right? This is the total with